Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Spirit Airlines Karen demands to board after missing her flight. Who the fuck do she think she is? By NY Detective. This should be a good one.
On June 24th, 2025, deputies were dispatched to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after receiving reports of a woman causing a disturbance at a Spirit Airlines counter after missing her flight.
Yeah, damn. That lady right there thinking in a bowl of oatmeal. Sheesh. I love me a Coke bottle shaped woman.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what? I haven't done anything. I'm speaking to Spirit Airlines about my flight.
Damn, I'm gonna miss Spirit. RIP to Spirit, y'all. Spirit has some of the best customers.
About my flight.
It's gonna go 2 ways.
No, it's not gonna go any way because I haven't done anything violent. I haven't done anything.
Oh yeah, her attitude is disgusting.
Did was speak. All I did was speak.
I'm trying to be friendly.
Broward County Sheriff's Office. What did you come over here to do when I'm talking to Spirit
Arrest your dumb ass if you don't comply.
Airlines? I'm not disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I'm not disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I'm disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I understand and I'm trying to get some information. No, I'm getting clarification. BS, okay, come over here when I'm getting clarification about my business matters. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't insulted her. I haven't cussed her. I haven't touched her. I haven't done anything. I can stay right here and talk about my flight. You coming over here and trying to intimidate me ain't gonna do anything because I haven't done anything illegal.
Do I look intimidating? You're the one that's looking intimidating.
I didn't do anything illegal, so you coming over here to come in my business has nothing to do anything.
Why she look like Chili from TLC? Like she look like she could be her little sister or something.
Be a soul. Be a soul.
I don't want no scrub.
Be a soul.
So you gotta leave.
Okay.
No, I'm talking about my flight. I'm talking about my flight. I'm talking about my flight.
All right.
No, don't touch my stuff.
Listen. We're gonna give you 10 seconds.
Let's go, please. Let's go. Come on.
No, what you're not gonna do is touch me. I haven't done anything.
Let's go.
She taking her phone out to record, and all they finna do is take her phone out of hand anyway.
Come on, ma'am.
Have I done anything, sir? No, don't touch my. No, please don't touch me. You cannot touch me.
You do that, it's gonna be a problem.
I'm not even touching you.
Walk or not?
I'm not doing anything.
You're gonna walk or
I'm
not?
not doing anything. I'm not doing
Okay.
anything.
God damn, bro.
Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested?
Now you are.
Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested?
You're gonna get
Am I
arrested.
being arrested? No, but am I being arrested? But am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? This is against my law.
Just go ahead. Go ahead.
Am I being arrested?
Now you
Am
are.
I being
All right.
arrested?
Now you
Am
are.
I being arrested? For what? For what? For what? I don't want to go to jail. Am I being arrested?
You sure ain't acting like you. Acting like that's the exact place where you want to go.
But all I did was talk to the Spirit Airline. And I asked you not to forcibly touch me.
Okay. Well, that's good. Now,
You ain't running shit. You being aggressive and doing all that. Of course you gonna do that. Of course you gonna get arrested, stupid.
all right. That's it. Simple.
That was simple.
So you're going to arrest me to talk
Yep.
to Spirit Airlines.
Yep.
I haven't forcibly done anything. I haven't touched anybody. I talked to Spirit Airlines. You're arresting me.
Well,
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. You're going to forcibly arrest me.
yeah, for trespassing.
From trespassing where? I have a Spirit Airlines ticket.
Yeah.
I'm not being disorderly. I'm talking.
And she drunk. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The airport do be having some strong ass drinks. I'll be like, damn, why this shit so strong? The walk of shame. The walk of shame.
You're squeezing it. You're hurting me. He's 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 hurting me. I'm not pulling away from you. I've been too hard. You're hurting me. Oh, my God. Powell, you're hurting me. Powell, you're hurting me. If I think it's marched on me, it's on you. Powell, I'm not pulling away. I'm still with you. I'm still with you. Stop pulling my arm. You are. Stop.
All right. You got this.
Stop. Yeah, get this. You need to get your hands off me. Now, get your hands off me. And you're still squeezing my arm. Stop squeezing it. Stop squeezing my arm. You are squeezing it. Stop squeezing it.
Oh God, just please get your ass in there.
Videotape it. You're squeezing it. You are. Stop.
sleep with her.
Ebony here?
Get your
Call
hands.
for a female.
Please.
Don't jerk away,
He's hurting
ma'am.
me. He's
Stop
hurting me.
jerking away.
You see how you're holding me loosely?
Ma'am,
He's
it's
tugging me on
done. It's
purpose. And then he's pulling my arm. Look how it's all skewed. It's hurting me.
Just explain to me so I know what's
She did tell you more.
who. Oh,
Because
okay.
she was the gay agent. I had to run
Oh,
from the flight
so
over there
what
to
happened?
over here.
Just tell me what happened so I know.
Paola closed the door at 14.
Okay.
Okay? She walked in, and then as soon as she walked in, see this lady sprinting.
Okay.
And then she came to the counter. I'm like, ma'am, you're going to have to go to across from G10 to be rebooked. Before I even get to finish my sentence, she started getting all rowdy. Calling me names, telling me you're going to get me on the flight, da-da-da-da. And then I called her, and then she could hear her screaming when she was coming down. She just kept getting hot like
Can I get a picture of your little thing? So basically, she came here, already had an attitude. Right?
Yeah.
She was late.
She said she was at the wrong gate, whatever gate she was at.
Okay.
We
So,
don't have E13.
no, that's in Terminal 3.
No, we don't have E13.
Oh, no, not E13, but yeah, that's in Terminal 3.
Yeah, but I'm trying to explain to her, ma'am. Well, that's what the person said when I walked out of TSA.
Oh, what do we
No one
have?
said that.
No one said
So,
that.
okay, so, and then when I came to talk to her, she wanted to get all loud. So I already knew what was going to happen.
Yeah.
So, okay.
That's it.
All right.
But I needed her name because I wanted her to document. So before you come, that's what she was trying to give me. Because I said, can I see your boarding pass?
How long you going to be here for?
Till 1 a.m. I got to this flight.
Oh, so you're going to, so
I'm gonna be
you'll be
here
here in
still.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get her name for you if you want to.
All right, thanks.
All right. No problem. I'm warning you right now. Listen, I'm not gonna talk to you. You kick my door again, I'm gonna press charges for messing up my vehicle. Yes, you do it again. You do it again. Okay, you do it again.
What's wrong with your vehicle?
You do it again.
Are you pressing charges against me? Yes or no?
Ma'am, you're going to jail. Yes, you're going to jail for trespassing. You're going to jail. That's it. Simple. I'm done. I'm done.
Trespassing.
Kick my door again. I'm a add charge it. I'm a add charge it.
Where did I trespass at?
I'm telling you right
I'm
now.
pressing charges. And where did I trespass at? Where am I trespassing? Sir. Where was I trespassing?
I'm done talking.
She is so drunk.
Where was I trespassing that you're arresting me?
You know where.
Where was
You
I
know where.
trespassing? I don't know where I was
Okay.
trespassing.
All right, then.
I'm trying to get clarification.
All right, no problem.
You didn't even give me my Miranda rights.
She
You arrested
she
me.
drunk as
You
hell.
didn't even give me my Miranda rights when you
You-
arrested me. You arrested
He didn't
me
have to because you was acting a fool already and being causing like, come on,
no
man.
Miranda rights. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You didn't say you had a right to be
I love when people think they know the law. Like, you sound like such a dumbass right now.
silent. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You arrested me with no justification on what you're arresting me for. You're taking me to jail with no clarification on why I'm being arrested. You're saying I'm trespassing someplace that I have a ticket to be. Always a black man. Always a black man. Always. I hate y'all.
Ma'am.
What does the race have to do with you acting like a complete dumbass?
Shut the up. Shut the up. Dumb.
Okay, now I'm not talking.
Shut up, and shut up. I hate y'all. If it's not you guys beating on us, it's you guys doing some shit. You guys are always attacking us. Like, I hate black men. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate you guys so
I hate that you keep talking. Damn.
much. Like, if it's not one thing that a black man will do to a black woman, it's another thing. If it was a white girl, I swear to God you wouldn't have gone to this lane. But because I'm black, you want to
No, everybody gets pretty much handled the same these days.
make sure you don't throw the block at me. I hate y'all. Black men are the worst. Black men never protect
Yeah,
us.
19, yeah.
Black men are worse. I pray if you have daughters, black men them up too, like you are trying to me up now. You got kids, I pray they go through this shit. Every last
I hope they don't, cause hopefully they ain't acting like your stupid ass.
I hope they get all this shit over something minimal, if not worse. I pray that shit rains on your family's head.
14 Alpha, 10-year case number is 1741.
I pray karma come back and bite you in the ass and everything that you saying that you wish up on his family. I pray it come back to yours 10 times worse. That's what I pray.
Never rest because of this shit here. I rated on your head, your kid's head, your kid's head, your kid's head. I ran on the generations for you that they will never rest over this night. They will never rest. They will never rest. They will never see anything good in their life over this night.
She was charged with trespassing on critical infrastructure.
I'm so glad they shut her stupid ass up.
Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with all my latest content. I am tired. I hope you guys have had a good night. That's it, baby. We out.